right here, Long Beach Red, another great color, 2016, 98,530 miles. So for those of you who are scared to get your car out of the garage, you shouldn't. So 39,995, and this is a 3LT Z51. This one has the carbon fiber roof, so you can see that right there. And this one is automatic with a gray and black interior. And this one has black wheels with the bright red brake calipers. All right. Better make sure I pay attention to the direction I'm going, or I'll wind up talking about the same car twice. Arctic White 2014, only 21,000 miles, 46,995. This is a 2LT Z51. Stepping back, trying to take a look at this. Chrome wheels, gray brake calipers. So you see this one has the plastic front splitter. And so if you're worried about damaging your front splitter, go with the plastic, because that way they're far less expensive than the carbon flash. But again, this one, Kalahari interior. I'm telling you, it's a theme. It's a theme right there. The automatic transmission. It's a Long Beach Red convertible right here with a red and black interior. Chrome badging. Chrome wheels with bright red brake calipers to match the seats. This one's a 2016, 18,044 miles of 54,995. Very nice. This one also a 3LT. You can see because it's got all of the microfiber suede on there. Another torch red right here, convertible. The red and black interior. Got the little wind restrictor plate right there. American Dream, that's what that says. Chrome wheels with the bright red brake calipers. Chrome badging, and it's a 14. Convertible, 42,674 on the miles, 42,995. I believe this was also an automatic. Let's look. Yes, it was. Another Long Beach Red right here with low miles, 17,609, 54,995. Very nice though. Chrome wheels. Nice convertible. Automatic, black and black interior with gray stitching. Black and black with. So right here, shark gray. Another fantastic color. Beautiful, beautiful color. I do really, really, really like this. My dad actually has a shark gray Z06. I think his is also a 16 manual transmission. But anyway, this one is a 2016 shark gray coupe, 67,761 on the miles, 43,995. This one also has the transparent top. Believe it or not, it does not have a Kalahari interior. It is a 2LT Z51. Some added carbon fiber pieces inside on this one as well. I don't know why anybody would do that. That's a joke. If you know me, my C8 is loaded with all that. So we're actually not going to talk about this one because I guess they're doing some stuff to it. Maybe there was an issue with the top. They're getting repaired. And we just talked about this color 2 Saturdays ago, and I cannot remember what it's called, but I think they should bring this color back. I love it. My goodness, it irritates me when I can't remember certain colors, but another beautiful. Now this one is not for sale. This is one of Doug's personal cars, but man, check this C2 out. Love these front bumpers. Those side pipes, oh my goodness, fantastic. Let's go around and take a look at the interior. Got your fire extinguisher over there. Manual transmission, very nice. C4 right here, a 95 C4 convertible. This one has 89,498 miles, 12,995. But man, oh man, I remember when this car was brand new. I remember riding my bicycle. The earlier models, this one's got the spoiler on the back. But yeah, I remember riding my bicycle and there was some kind of green one out there and I was like, oh my gosh, one day. So, and never got the C4, which I love C4s. I love when you pop the hood and it's just everything is right there accessible for you. But you know, I'm not mechanically inclined, so it doesn't really benefit me. But check this one out, another one of Doug's personal cars. Very nice. And this one is an automatic. But yeah, he has a lot of personal Corvettes. He's not just a business owner and says, oh, I'll sell Corvettes. You know, I mean, he actually loves Corvettes. But another C3 right here. Absolutely loved. This was my favorite growing up. Now, again, my favorite in the old days was the 78 pace car. But if I was gonna buy a C3 now, I want one of the bumper cars, probably like the 72. I think would be fantastic. But another one of his classic, beautiful Corvettes right here. Take a look at the interior. I mean, look at that. Look at that dash. Look at that instrument panel, speedometer, all that. It's just crazy how much they've changed. This one also manual transmission. I have never driven one that old. I'm not sure how I'd feel about it, but so if you get a chance, come by here and just check out all the Corvettes. There's older ones outside. Again, there's 2 other more or less showrooms. They're not done yet. I don't know if they're going to be. I don't know what his decision to do with those is right now. But we want to go check those cars out as well. So we'll try to do that in the next video. But that's going to do it for today. There's a lot of vets here. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, good or bad, I don't even care. I hope everybody has a great week, and thanks for watching.